Hello everyone, how are you all? Fine. Today I will teach you before, after and between. To understand this, I am making a dot. Okay? Now, see, this is a dot. Left side of the dot is before. Left side of the dot is, children remember it, left side of the dot is before. Okay, and the right side of the dot is after. Again I am telling, left side of the dot is before and right side of the dot is after. Left side is before and right side is after. Okay, and main dot, this is the main dot. So, and the main dot is called this place between. Okay, now to make it easy, I will make a number strip. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Children, this is called number strip. Okay, first of all we will see which number comes before. So now before number, we will take an example. Now I am writing here number 3. Okay, now first of all check the number strip. Okay, where is 3? Yes. Now see which number comes left side. Which number comes left side? Always left side में क्या होता है? Before number होता है. Okay, always check left side when you will find out before number. Okay, so here is 2. Now you will write here number 2. Again I am taking another example. Suppose I am writing here 8. We will see the number strip. Okay, which number comes left side? Here is 8. Which number comes left side? Yes, 7. Okay, number, here we will write number 7. I am taking another example. Number 5. Okay, now see the number strip. Which number will come? Which number comes before? Yes, now we will write here number 4. Okay children, now next we will see which is come after. Okay, before number you understood, I hope. Now we will see after number. again. I am giving an example. Okay. Now I am writing here 4. Okay. Now check the number strip, children. Where is 4? Yes. Which number comes right side of the 4? Which number comes right side of 4? Okay. 5. So you will write here number 5. This is after number. Okay. Now I am taking another example. I am writing here number 7. Check the number strip. Which number comes after 7? Here is number 7. Which number comes after 7? And we will see where? Right side. So, number 8 is the right answer. Okay. I am taking another example for after number. I am writing here number 9. Now you check the number strip. Where is number 9? Yes, here is number 9. Which number comes after 9? Yes, number 10. Okay, children? Understood? Okay. Now we will see which number comes in the between of two numbers. Now we will see between numbers. So for between numbers we have to check two numbers at first, and after that we will see which is coming in the middle. Okay. Now I am giving an example for between number. I am writing here number 1 and here 3. Now we will see which number comes in the between of these two numbers 1 and 3. Which number is coming here? We will now see the number strip at first. So see, here is number 2. Okay, children. Now we will see next. I am giving you another example. Here I am writing 7 and here I am writing 9. Which number comes in between 7 and 9? See the number strip, 7 and 9. Which number is coming? 8. Yes, you are right. Very good. 8 number is coming. Okay. I think you understood all the numbers before, after and between. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.